welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful wig. This is part of the Raquel Welch Wig collection, and it's their new fall launch. They have some beautiful wigs in their new fall launch, and this is one of them. This one right here is definitely my cup of tea. This is called Big Spender, and oh my goodness. And the color is shaded hazelnut. I wanted to stick with a color that was really fall-ish, whether it be, you know, the pumpkin spice or shaded hazelnut or something warm and luscious. And shaded hazelnut definitely makes me feel like fall. I love, love, love this long bob and the wave and the straight ends. It is so cute. Let's talk about shaded hazelnut and then we will move on to this new style. Shaded hazelnut is the code RL8/29SS. And of course you have that shaded root. That is why it is called shaded hazelnut. You have that shaded, smudge, rooted color. You have those dark brown roots. And then what you have is a warm medium brown, evenly blended with a ginger blonde. So a ginger blonde, a warm medium brown, and that dark brown root. It is so beautiful. That gingery blonde, it just adds in that warmth, that kind of fallish color, a great mix to just add dimension and beauty in with that medium brown color. Shaded hazelnut is just gorgeous. Okay, let's talk about Big Spender. Do I look like a big spender wearing this here wig? I always wonder where wig names come from, where they originate from, if they're just sitting around a table and say, Big Spender, Ashlyn. I would love to pick somebody's brain and find out really where the names come from and why. But I digress. This is called Big Spender. But the description makes sense because they say it has a wealth of softly tumbled waves. This has a very sophisticated look, very chic, yet it kind of has like a casual vibe to it. Definitely could wear it down with a pair of jeans or dress it up with a business suit or a skirt, go eat dinner in it. This style can definitely be worn by multiple age groups and for different occasions. What's incredible with this here Big Spender is that it features Raquel Welch's Sheer Indulgence lace front from temple to temple. So you have a lot of options. You can pull this hair away from the face, put it in a clip, and if you'd like to, wear it side swept. You have options with this type of cap construction and this beautiful lace front. I've always loved the Raquel Welch lace fronts. They just look fabulous. Here's a closer view of that. You do see that they added some slight lighter hairs right up at the front, but it's very nicely blended with that root. It looks awesome. And then of course, with that Sheer Indulgence lace front, you have a monofilament top. So you have a lot of options for parting, left, right, middle, pull it off the face, do some creative styling, add a clip, you know, add some sections. You can do a lot of fun styles, creative styling, and just wear the hair as if it's growing out of your head. All the versatility is something that I gravitate to, and I definitely do gravitate towards this type of cap construction. This wig has a lot of va-va-voom. It definitely makes you feel like you're going big or going home. I mean, you feel like a VIP in this type of hairstyle. I dig it. It is so beautiful. Let's do a full turnaround of this here Big Spender. Now this is an average size cap. This fits me really well from front to nape, from side to side. My head circumference is 21.5 inches and I wear average in the majority of wig brands. It feels nice and secure, yet comfortable. This here Big Spender is available in a huge variety of colors and shades. It's also available in the Raquel Welch shadow shades. You're bound to find a color that you like in this here Big Spender wig. Let's take this wig off and show you the underside. So here is that sheer temple to temple lace front for a natural looking off the face styling. It just looks incredible. And then you have your monofilament top with individually hand-tied fibers. This is fantastic for complete styling flexibility. Now what you have here is the Raquel Welch Memory Cap 3. And what that has is silicone coated stretch lace that molds to the head for a more custom-like fit. You have your velvet lined ear tabs and you have your velvet lined nape with your adjusters at the nape so you can loosen and tighten this wig and help it fit your head more true to size and have it feel very secure. Now here's a closer look of that beautiful color, shaded hazelnut. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Look at those highlights, that ginger blonde. It's just a beautiful contrast with that medium brown and that dark root. Now let's put this beauty back on. Now the front of Big Spender is 10 inches. Your crown is 11 inches. The sides are 10 and 1/2 inches. The back is 12 and 1/2 inches. The nape is 7 and 1/2 inches. And the total weight for Big Spender is 5.2 ounces. Now with this hair, I feel like it has a medium density. Now the style itself with the wave, that can add to, you know, the thicker feeling, the thicker appearance, that va-va-voom look, but it still has a very natural appearance as well. I would say this is light medium, more on the medium side as far as density. That's just my personal opinion. Oh my goodness, I love Big Spender and I love this color. I'm feeling like fall. As you can see, I pulled out the sweaters. I'm just kind of excited. Let me know what you think of this beautiful Big Spender by Raquel Welch. And have you seen the other styles that are coming out in their fall launch? Let me know, comment below. Go follow Raquel Welch on their social media platforms. You can find this here Big Spender and many other Raquel Welch wigs, toppers, products at various brick and mortar and online locations. I will have a store locator down below. I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Please give me any feedback, comment below. Let me know what you think about this new style by Raquel Welch and this beautiful color. It is not new, but I do love it. And this is shaded hazelnut. The code again is RL829SS. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.